Very good morning, everyone. Right now, I am at the stunning Erachipara Waterfalls in Kanthalloor. Surrounded by pure nature, fresh air, and the sound of rushing water.
In Spanish, waterfall is la cascada and water is el agua. So this becomes una cascada increíble, an incredible waterfall. Just listen. The sound is what the Spanish call relajante, meaning relaxing. And honestly, this place is truly relajante y hermoso, relaxing and beautiful.
Traveling through the nature is the best classroom. Let us keep exploring Kerala and learning Spanish together. See you hasta mañana.